Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about my favorite. Everything is my favorite. So that's Artistry face mask. We're talking about it. How they can give to the huge, massive change to your skin, and why the masks are always famous in our Asians olden days. Everyone preferred these masks. Artistry is a very special brand because they're trying to use phytonutrition through their skin products in a very personalized, scientific way. They're trying to use the infuse of plant extracts and their phytonutrition and the nutrition to the through, like, their favorite is a acerola cherry they use to consume the vitamin C from there, and which so we're gonna talk about it. So this is masks are always like, if we trying to do combination of the mask, they're trying to address our individual skin requirements. So everybody's skin is different. Everybody they used to have some said I have all of problem in my skin. Some said like I have only 3 major problem skin. Some says but maximally people have 3 major issues for their any skin problem they're getting in the day regular routines. So I have at the moment 3 masks in front of me. 2 I have already finished, and I all talk about. So we usually have a 5 face mask, 5 masks Artistry that does as a Artistry Signature Select. You don't have to worry about it. After this video, if you really like one of those masks or anything, and then you question is how I'm gonna buy it, I always gonna leave my business link on the description box for you, so you can register as a customer, and then you can shop as you go. To register as a customer, you just have to if you are living in a UK, if you're living outside of the UK, then still you can email me. My email address as well is gonna be written on the description box, so you can email me. You can send me through your by email to me your contact number, your email address, so I can send you the link. You can buy on your own country as well, so there is no any problem. So to register in my link, you have to add your email address, then your first name, your surname, and then you have to make your own username and the password, then your address details, and then you can shop as to your own cart these multi mask, and then you can carry on your payment. It's completely pure, secure, and all that. There's no any problem. So we talk about the mask today. So mask always comes as a 3 type of. So one mask is infusing mask, which is they infuse a blend of phytonutrition. They're trying to infuse in the bottle, so that's the infused mask. Other one is exfoliating mask. The third one is purifying mask, which is they wanted to detoxify, purify the pore of the skin here. You know, we used to do a lot of makeups, then we forget how to clean it, and we thinking by face wash and all that the all impurity come off. No. So we do have to be looked after to go through as a mask, and we have to go for because personally, I really, as a skin consultant, I really think if you trying to use, if you trying to use like you have to be exfoliating on the skin for once a week at least. Like I have a sensitive skin, so I use once a week this mask I'm going to talk about first. So because the dead skin is buff away, and then whatever the creams, serums you're trying to put on the skin, they go penetrate deep down to your epidermis, instead of you just keep going on the dead skin, and you just keep putting a cream, serums, makeup and all that. So that didn't work like that. So how is work like that? So let's start from exfoliating mask. It's called polishing mask. It's made up by blackcurrant. It's no smell a lot. The people who get a more smell of you know what is this. So it's a blackcurrant smell, and I can smell of sugar cane as well. So they use a pure organic chemical free sugar cane, and then they use blackcurrant, so that's why it's a purple color, and it's called Artistry Signature Select Polishing Mask, and I use once a week, and you can use once or twice a week according to your skin need. And if you go too much sensitive skin, then go for once a week. So I use it. So it's a blackcurrant aroma. Indulge the senses like a sweet treat to you. You're gonna eat it. So it's a sugary texture, buff away the rough skin, and it's a neutral light. My favorite neutral light source, blackcurrant extract, soothes and nourishing the skin. So what I feel after when I use this one, even I used onto my husband as well. Yeah. So that's the one. If it's any my friends comes in the house due to COVID, they stopped it. So I would like to use on them. It's give you once. It should be used for 7-8 minutes. I'm very naughty. I try to 10 and 15 minutes because I feel like that neutral light attracts botanicals going to my skin, and I get so excited about it. I always trying to get extra, but clinically they just say only 7 minutes because people don't have time to stay longer to the skin. So I use for 10-15 minutes. You can use for 7 minutes, and you can wash away. It's not like the other exfoliating mask like other I do. They scrub the skin get red, you know, when you washed away. So it's like when you wash the face, it's just give you baby skin. It's just polish each of your skin texture. Either here you can see that there, either on the neck area, the always you getting it just a baby skin, just a baby, just so smooth, so like a I don't know. Like I never feel like that much either if I put a coconut oil on it or something. I do rub it. No, I don't feel even when I washed away. It's give a good nourishing. It's just give a smooth texture. It's just giving like I don't know. My skin get a full hydrated. You know, so very baby soft skin. I'm saying now, I felt it, but whoever used it, they get the same result and the same thing you're talking about. My skin getting baby. And it's no scratchy like exfoliating. The other exfoliating you use it, you feel like you keep rubbing it and all. They making the change of the, you know, pH, disturbing the pH level of the skin. So that's very blackcurrant. It comes as a 33 pound 100 gram. So you're gonna use it once a week or twice a day. So it will be last up you good 4 months, more than 4 months. So that's really good. So I put it on the side for you. Okay, so that's done. So the next one is, which is I finish it, but I can quickly talk about it. It's a Artistry Signature Select Hydrating Mask. Is it made up by extracts from the green tea? The green tea, you know that if it's very pure and chemical free, so that the all antioxidant goes to your skin to will you know, support your hydration and your moisturizer retention. So many people complain about it. My skin is dehydrated. I'm not able to drink the water in a day. I'm really getting a lot of, I don't know what happened. I don't know what I'm not eating good diet these days. I'm not drinking water. I'm not having a good fat in my diet. I'm getting a lot of stress out. I don't know what to do. I put creams on my face, but still I feel like it's dehydration after 1 or 2 hours. And because they keep putting up on the barrier of the upper of the skin, they know it's not getting deep penetrating inside it. So that's the mask, a soothing mask. Name is hydrating mask. I run out, actually. I love it. I show you. It's look like that green mask, that green one. It's come from green tea and extracts. So that's hydration. Even if you feel the mask boosts natural hydration levels and mitigates the adverse environmental impact. So it's helped to achieve healthy looking and supple skin and provide a hydration, supports a moisturizer retention. So I remember when I put these hydration mask on my skin, I have to be careful I'm putting it here. If it slightly go up to the slightly by mistake, if it go here, this area, my eyes start giving the retention of the water. My eyes start getting teary. So it's that much a good sensation on the skin when I put it. Is keep hydration, go so deep penetrating. They're trying to retention the moisturizer to put it back to your skin. Even if it slightly go up there, when my eyes feel that sensation, like water retention sensation. It's it's definitely is a neutral light source. Every product of artistry would be neutral light source, because they all product, their skin care product extracts they're getting from the plant, and plant is a neutral light farming. They do it. So they do it chemical free. They use to their multivitamin. Then they're trying to put the same beneficial to the people's skin health as well, and the biological health as well. It's antioxidant rich green tea, and it mitigates the damage from the sun, wind and pollution. So it mitigates the damage, whatever the damage we getting. Why our skin feel dehydrated? Because of the sun. Sometime export we done, sometime our diet, sometime is we getting pollution, the wind, dirt and all that. Air condition as well, heating as well. So heating, air condition, they do affect on our skin, and we don't know is dehydrating, but we thinking, oh, it's nice and cool, but no, we find out later on is a dehydrating to our skin. So that's done. Hydrating mask, I talk about it. Talk about the polishing mask once a week. Hydrating mask you can as well is 40 pound. It can be more than 3 or more than 4 months. You can use it once or twice or thrice a week. So you can use these things, mask, according to your individual need of your skin. If you feel like my skin is dehydrating, you go for hydrating mask. It's worth for 40 pound for more than 4 months. If you just use it only full time you work, only on the weekends you use it twice a day. I mean twice, like Saturday and Sunday you use it. Either it's only 7 minutes before you go to the work. Wake up, do your brush and all that, and just apply quickly, then go downstairs, come make the breakfast. Before you making breakfast, wash out your face. People are excusing, they said we don't have time, we don't have time, we run like that, we run like that. They can have a 7 minutes. They can take 7 minutes in a week. That's not impossible. That's not impossible. I don't understand why people said I can't do this, I can't do. They can. If they prioritize something, the things will happen. If they want to prioritize something else, then those things will happen. So polishing mask done, hydrating mask done. The third mask I talk about, the brightening mask. The brightening mask is nice. It's made by white chia seed extracts, and the scientists use white chia seed extracts from the Nutrilite source, from the Nutrilite farm. And it's achieved a constant skin tone. You know, some people say I have very untoned skin. Some says I have very dull skin. I don't have a glow on my face. So this is the mask. This is what my glow come from. So this is the mask they use, a Artistry's brightening mask, all Asians favorite. It's got white chia seeds, very nice smell. So you can use it. Look how I'm using it. So I always needed that pinch of little that pinch of, I spread it all over the mask and I done. I don't need a lot of, because that little pinch is huge beneficial to my skin. So that mask is done. So it's give you cushiony mousse mask that help to correct the uneven skin tone, as I told about you. It's give you very radiant skin. It's like very different, very great kind of glow to your face. It's helped the skin in a glow from within, which is I just talk about it, and it's a constant skin tone, so that's very achievable. So brightening mask is good. The extract is white chia seed extract. You never find out easily on any other products, because every certain mask they use it. So I take it this brightening mask as a exfoliating mask, polishing mask and brightening mask. The hydrating mask we come as a infused mask, where they get infused the things on it, so that's how it affected to hydrate the skin. And the other infusing mask I talk about, firming mask. Firming mask, they try to extract from pomegranates, Nutrilite plant extracts. And firming is, you know, some people said my jawline is a bit of saggy, I need to be little bit lift up. When they get old, their cheeks are getting down and they're hanging down. So that's for the firming mask. This have a very warm sensation when I applied it. It comes as that red color pot. That red color pot, you see that? So that's the red color, just like a pomegranate color. So skin feeling very firm and total toned. Help to achieve a firmer, tighter feeling. Yes, I do feel it tight, because I feeling a very warming sensation. That's how I felt. Oh, it's working. It is working. A tighter feeling and fresh look. Pomegranate provide antioxidant, same as infused mask I talk about, same as hydration mask infused with the green tea extracts, and the firming mask infused with the pomegranate antioxidant boost. It's a warming effect, and it's a very sensational experience, because it's giving you warmness and you feel like it's working. You start feeling like a tighter, and it's really, these days people talk about hydration, people talk about excess oil to take it out, detoxification, but firming I only find out from artistry brands. So the last we talk about is that's favorite to the all oily skin, is a World's #1 2020 as a beauty champ. It's been selected in a whole world #1. Artistry Select Purify Mask. That one I shows to the old video as well. So that's a good blessing for the oily skin, for combination skin, for the people who really do makeup every day, a lot of time. So they really use this very citric smell coming here, because it's used as citric extracts, and then they're trying to because they wanted to get rid of the excess oil whenever we toxicating food we eating in a day. And so the oil will be, excess oil will be, whenever I feel the skin is getting I eaten something, like I show you on my video, this the one is getting dry up now. That's the pimple was excess came in. So you can use as a multi mask, like I've got a excess oil on this one, pimple came here, and one was there came was, so I applied here that area. I applied on the T-zone where I feel like getting a lot of these oil sebum, black hands or white hand if I getting, so I apply on there, a little bit on the forehead, on the nose area, on the chin area, and then this area, and I 1 or 2 if I get it from this way, so I use it that way. Brightening mask I use on this area more, and firming mask I can use on that area. And hydration mask, my forehead is already dehydrating that area, so I use more dehydrating. So you can use as a multi mask, and so that's that's dry out the all impurity and leaving the matte look. It's the best if you use it 7 minutes before you trying to do your makeup, so your makeup will be look more clean and clear. more matte looking. And some people have a problem of when they do the makeup, every after 2 3 4 hours they find out is my skin is getting oily and all that. If you use this Purify mask, this comes as a 40 pound 100 gram. You can use it 2 or 3 times in a week. In these 5 masks, only one mask you can use regular is firming mask. Rest of polishing mask you can use it once or twice in a day. The rest of 3 masks you can use every second or third day. So this is how easy. So some of masks you can't. So when you feel it's too much excess oil you're getting on the skin on the summertime, so that's the Purify to really help you to detoxify. They use a dense French clay which is really suck out the excess of the oil sebum. But all masks can make sure they not leave you dry. That's the main thing. Either you have a oily skin, they will help you to purify the excess oil sebum in your but they make sure your skin will be well hydrated after using any of those masks. Either you're using to suck out the oil from the butt. Most of I try to use for excess oil other brand in my 3-4 years 2 years ago. I find out when they drain out my excess sebum oil, they leave my skin dry as well. I feel tight after that. But when I use this one, I don't feel my skin tight. My skin will smooth, still like very smooth and baby texture type of skin when I use these masks. No drain. It will drain out the excess oil, but it will leave the good retention of the moisturizer to my skin whenever I washed out my face. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm gonna leave my link below who are big fan of these masks, and all I tell you, you're giving a good phytonutrition, plant extracts your skin when you're using those masks. So it's a good botanicals on it and it's never gonna be harm. I'm selling artistry. I never be having a 1% unsatisfaction from any customer. They all come and buy and they all are very 100% satisfaction they're getting it, and I'm keep getting blessed to help people for this skin. And I'm enjoying this business, and I'm enjoying, my skin is enjoying using those masks, and the people who are buying from me, they are happy, I am happy. So we having a completely 100% satisfaction. So most welcome to go below to description box to go to my link and try to get register as a customer, so you can buy these masks anytime your comfort home, and you can start your skincare routine journey. Okay, 7 minutes is nothing in a week. So enjoy your day, take care, love yourself, love your skin, and have a nice productive day. Take care. Bye.